What's up, guys? I'm Jeremy, this is Dalton, this is Trey, and we have Charlie. This is Trey's dog. This evening we're gonna go do the Bridle trail hike up on Casper Mountain. Along the way we'll show you all the cool landmarks, all the cool little spots you can stop at, all the lookouts. So yeah, it should be a fun little hike, and we'll go check it out right now.
Hey everyone, this is Garden Creek Falls. It's pretty cool. If you look really closely down here, you can see Garden Creek. It goes right under this bridge. Wow.
There's the falls right there. You can walk all the way up to the bottom of them. That's really cool. They're probably like 80 feet. What would you say, Trey?
Probably like 100.
100 feet?
Wow.
Give or take. One of the best parts of the Bridle Trail hike is that it's only about 5 to 10 minutes from downtown Casper. It's a super short drive. And I mean, we've only been hiking for, I don't know, a couple minutes. And we're already up pretty high on the trail and you can already overlook Casper. That's super cool. So we're about a quarter of the way up the Bridle Trail, and I gotta say, this is a good workout. Nothing like working out, getting to sweat in nature. How do you feel about that, Dalton?
I feel exuberated. What does that mean?
It's a good word. Charlie, how do you feel? I think the informal name is the Yoga Rocks, but we're not for sure, so we'll just go with that.
I've only done yoga twice, and I've not done them on this rock.
Trey's done yoga before. Was it on this rock?
Yeah.
He says yes, so this must be the Yoga Rock. Ooh, we got some nice views up here.
Yeah, and if you come up around this time, it gets real nice with the shading, so you're not out in the boistering heat.
All right, we just left that first lookout spot, and our next stop is Split Rock.
So if you get far enough up, you'll see cave drawings. I can't confirm the date when they were done. They seem to be riddled with charcoal.
All right, we've made it up to the famous Split Rock. It's basically, I think this big rock right here is tipped over.
I think it fell.
And it made a cool little tunnel through here.
Let me look at the demographic. What's the word for it? Geology. Geology.
Why did I bring this kid with me?
It looks like it was at the top, and someone really strong like Trey pushed it off.
Split Rock kind of signifies the halfway point on the Bridle Trail. We've been going for about an hour and a half. We've been going pretty slow. Let's keep going and see what else we can find.
I think I got one. You probably shouldn't.
So just after Split Rock, there's this little stream right here. And it runs, this is not Garden Creek, but it runs into Garden Creek and then eventually into the falls. So as we've been hiking, we've seen a ton of people running on the trail. It's a super popular running trail. I think it's probably between 3 to 5 miles, we'll say. I don't know exact, but if you need a good workout and you love the mountains, it's a perfect spot.
Good girl. Yeah, if you're taking dogs on the trail, there's these little numbers where they make a nice little fresh stream. Yeah, people can use it too. Good girl.
About 2/3 of the way on the trail, there's a little mailbox right here. There's dog treats in there. How cool.
Yeah, this is one of those leave a book, take a book libraries, so you see them around town. But basically, bring up something that you usually read and maybe someone will like, and then you grab something you might like.
All right, our next landmark is Garden Creek. We are about to cross it, and then we'll then be on the east side of the Bridle Trail. And we got a few more landmarks to go, so let's go find them.
All right, so we made it to our next stop. So I don't know where this started, but I went up here with a family one time and they told me it's good luck to throw a rock and hit that car. But you have to get to this little fancy white rock, and then before you can continue on the trail, you gotta throw a rock and it's good luck, okay? Hey, you okay? Hear that? That was the car. Yeah, show us what you got.
Here we go. That's it.
Wow. Oh yeah, throw that chunker. Oh! That was nuts!
All right, now we got 2 more landmarks to go, and the sun is starting to set and it is getting beautiful out here. Our next landmark is the East Lookout. It's basically just this big rock. We're gonna climb up it real quick and check out the view. Are these views?
On a scale of 1 to 7.3, about a 7.3.
That must be pretty good. All right, we are on the home stretch of the Bridle Trail. We got 1 landmark left, and hopefully we get to see a little bit of the sunset. There's some clouds, but we may get lucky, so we'll see.
If you look really closely, it kind of resembles that of a butt.
This is our final landmark, the butt tree. It probably doesn't need much explaining, so yeah, we'll leave it at that. This is the butt tree. All right, that concludes the Bridle Trail. Thanks for watching. We hope you are able to come out and enjoy the Bridle Trail for yourself someday, and we'll see you next time. Say bye to Charlie.
Charlie, say bye.